Hi, hello and welcome to Mathway. In this video, I am going to explain about finding the nth term of AP. In the previous videos, we have learnt about AP. AP means arithmetic progression. If you haven't watched that video, undoubtedly I provided that link in the description box. You can go through it. Before going to know about nth term of AP, let us take one example. So Raju is an employee. So his monthly salary is considered as 8,000. So Raju's monthly salary is 8,000 rupees. Is boss given an offer that for every annually the salary will be increased by 500 rupees. So 500 increment for annually. It means for every year salary will be increased 500 rupees. For the first year his monthly salary is 8,000 rupees. Next for the next year, for the second year, how much is monthly salary? 8,500 rupees. Because first year 8,000. For the next year increment is 500 rupees. So 8,000 plus 500, 8,500 rupees. For the third year again 8,000 plus 500, 9,000 rupees. And for the fourth year 9,000 plus 5,000, it is 9,500 rupees. And in this way for every year the salary increased by 500 rupees. So first year 8,000 rupees, second year 8,500 rupees, for third year 9,000 rupees, and for the fourth year 9,500, for the fifth year 10,000, like this goes on. Then can we find what would be the salary after 10 years? What would be the salary of after 15 years? What would be the salary of after 50 years? So it is some difficult to find continuing this series. But if you observe, this is in AP, arithmetic progression. So see the difference of each term, 8,000, 8,500, 500, 500, 500. So the common difference is same. Already we learned that if the common difference is same, then that is in AP. So this is in AP, and to find the salary after 10 years, so we can find nth term formula. That is AN equals to A plus n minus 1 into t. AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into t. Here AN is the nth term. So now here we are finding the after 10 years, right? So that is A10. After 10 years the salary, and A is the first term. So what is the salary, the first one? First year, that is 8,000 rupees. N is the number of terms. So here we are finding salary after 10 years now. So N is 10 and D is the common difference. So let us substitute these all the values in this formula. Let's see what would be the salary after 10 years. AN, it means we are finding after 10 years, okay, A10 equals to A is the first term, so that is 8,000 rupees, 8,000 plus N is the number of terms. How many years we are finding for 10 years? So N value is 10 minus 1 into D is the 500 rupees, 500. So let us simplify this. 8,000 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 500. So 8,000 plus 9 5 is a 45 and double 0. So what we will get by adding this 0, 0, 5, 12. 12,500 rupees. So for 10 years he will get 12,500 rupees. So this is the way to find the nth term of AP. Here we find the A10 value using this formula. AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So let us see some more applications by using this formula. Take an example. Find the 10th term of AP. 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, so on. So here he given one arithmetic progression. The terms are 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, and asking to find the value of 10th term of AP. A10 we need to find. So we can solve this by using the number of terms formula. Nth term of AP, that is AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into t. So this is the formula which we use to find the nth term. Done. So here let us write what are the values are given. So here asking 10th term, so that is A10. A is the first term. What is the first term here? First term is 5 and n is the number of terms. Which term we ask him to find? 10th term. So n value is 10. D is the common difference. Common difference is here we get A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. So here A2 is 1 and A1 is 5. 1 minus 5, that is 4. So D value is minus 4 and A10, that is the 10th term. A10 equals to that we are going to find. So let us substitute this all the values in the formula. AN, that is A10. A10 equals to A is 5 plus N minus 1. N value is 10. So 10 minus 1 into D. D is minus 4. So here 5 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into minus 4. 5 plus 9 4s are 36 and it is minus there. So it is minus 36. Plus into minus minus. So 5 minus 31. 5 minus 36. So 5 minus 36 is minus 31. So the nth term is minus 31. It means the 10th term of the given AP is minus 31. Let's take one more example. Which of the following term of the AP 21, 18, 15 so on is minus 81? So here he is asking that there is an AP with the terms 21, 18, 15 up to so on, and also minus 81 is one of the term in the AP. Minus 81 is also one of the term in the AP, and we need to find at what time, whether it is 10th term, 11th term, 12th term. Clear? Let's see how to solve it. So here by the given the first term is 21. So A is 21. Let's see the common difference. D equals to A2 minus A1. The second term is 18 minus the first term is 21. 18 minus 21, that is minus 3. So common difference is minus 3. And also given the last term is minus 81. It means that is the nth term. An equal to minus 81. Asking to find which term, means n value. N value we need to find here. Let's see. So take the An formula. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the most important formula we use more frequently, right? So here An, we know that An, so minus 81 equal to A, first term is 21 plus n, that we have to find, that we are going to find n minus 1 into D. Common difference is minus 3. So here this transpose 21 to the LHS side. Then what we get? Minus 81 minus 21 equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus. So let's add them. 2, 8 plus 2, 10. The big number have negative sign. So minus 102. Minus 102 equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So transpose this minus 3. Then here these are in into. Whenever we transpose, it becomes as division. So minus 102 divided by minus 3 equal to n minus 1. So minus minus gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 is left. 3 4s are 12. So here we got 34. 34 equal to n minus 1. Transpose this minus 1. Then 34 plus 1 equal to n. 34 plus 1, that is 35. So n value 35. It means minus 81 is the 35th term in the given AP. Let's say one more interesting problem. That is, find the 28th term from the end of the AP. The series, the arithmetic progression is 3, 8, 13, so on 253. Question is, find the 28th term from the end of the AP, not from the beginning. The previous problems we have done from the beginning of the 10th term, beginning of the 12th term. But here, find the 20th term from the end of the AP. He given the last term. Then how can we find the 20th term from the last? From the beginning we can find easily by An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D formula. But here how can we find by the last? So last we have only one term. So still we can find some more terms from here by using the common difference. So by these, what is the common difference here? Common difference D equal to A2 minus A1. So here the second term is 8 and the first term is 3. So by subtracting that we get 5. Common difference is 5. So what would be the before value of 253? So we can take as first three terms are these up to so on. 253 minus 5 because the these are in AP given in the question. So that's why the common difference is same for all the terms. So when 253 minus 5, 253 minus 5, that is 248. 248 and 253. So now we need to find the 20th term from the last. What I am doing, I am writing the reverse order. I am taking this AP in the reverse order. First I am taking 253, 248 and so on, 13, 8 and 3. So now the 20th term from the last is equal to the 20th term from the first in this AP. Yes or no? So now by using the AN formula we can find. So here in this series the first term is A, that is 253, and the D common difference is difference of the two consecutive terms, 248 minus 253. What we get? 248 minus 253, that is minus 5. Common difference is minus 5. And the nth term, so now we are going to find a 20th term. So n value is 20 and 28th term 820 we have to find. So let us take AN formula. AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, now substitute all the values in this formula. AN, that is 820. 820 equal to A, first term is 253 plus n minus 1 means 20 minus 1 into D. The common difference is minus 5. So 253 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into minus 5. 253 plus into minus, 19 5s, 5 9s 45, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 4 9, 95. So by subtracting this, here we get 13 minus 5 is 8, 4 minus 9, 15, 158. So the 20th term in this AP is 158. It means the 20th term from the end of this AP, 20th term from the last is 158.